In this video, we'll be discussing about directions type 2 questions. In previous video, we have discussed about type 1. Now we will discuss questions of type 2. So type 2 means they will ask only question related to directions. So distance they will not ask. Before we go to questions, we have to understand something that is very important to solve question related to type 2. That is, we should understand the difference between and who. See, for example, A is father of B and brother of C. Now tell me, in first example, who is father of B? A. Next one. And tell me, who is brother of C? They are telling A is father of B and brother of C. Who is brother of C? Either B is the brother of C or A is the brother of C. Again, next example, A is father of B and brother of C. So in this, tell me, who is brother of C? Is it B or A? Confusion, right? Again, next one, A is father of B. Who is brother of C? See, everything same I have given, but only these words are changing. And, but, who. We will have confusion in this kind of situation. So to avoid this confusion, we should know that always and or but or while refers to the first person, or and who, which or whom refers to the immediate person. Meaning, let us take the same example. A is father of B and brother of C. So here, who is brother of C? According to this note, and but while refers to the first person. Now this and is referring to first person. A is father of B and is there. Now tell me, out of A and B, whose name is present first? A. So that clearly tells that here and refers to A, which means A is father of B, A is brother of C. Did you all understood? Similarly, here but also refers to the first person, whereas who or which refers to immediate person. Person means who or whom will be there. Any place or item means which will be there. So to avoid confusion, whenever we come across these kind of situations, we will read this statement without using and, who, but and which. How means, in place of and, we will replace that particular person, then we will read. Meaning, A is father of B, A is brother of C. I am not reading it as and. In place of and, I am replacing A. Let me repeat again. A is father of B, A is brother of C. Now it is simple and plain English. You can easily understand. A is father of B, A is brother of C. No confusion. In the same way, A is father of B, A is brother of C. A is father of B, B is brother of C. I am from Bengaluru. Bengaluru is known as Silicon City. So from now onwards, whenever you come across this kind of situation, this is how you have to read. And this is not only with respect to directions chapter. This kind of situation you will come across in chapters like directions, seating arrangement, blood relations, percentages, ages, and any equation based chapter. So you should know this. So with this knowledge, let us continue with questions of type 2. Now observe, y is in the east of x. Y should be in east direction with respect to x. Y should be in east direction with respect to x. Okay. Next, which is in the north of z? Just now we have discussed, we should not read it as which. Who or which always refers to immediate person. So will you read it? X is in the north of Z. So X should be in the north with respect to Z. Let me read it again. Y is in the east of X. Y should be in east with respect to X. X is in the north of Z. X should be in the north. North means upside. North with respect to Z. P is in the south of Z. P should be in the south with respect to Z. So south means downside. So from Z it should be towards downside. So P is in south of Z. So this is the diagram. So now they are asking, then in which direction of Y? They are asking of Y is P. We have already discussed the word which is present after, from, or of, or with respect to, that will act as origin. So here of Y, so Y will act as origin. So from Y we have to see the direction of P. So what is your answer? Downside means south, left side means west. So your answer is south west. So look at answer options. You don't have, so but you have none of this. So you can mark none of this. None of these means none of the given answer option. When you have to mark none of this, you got some answer which is not present in the given answer option. So be careful. Answer is don't mark southeast. Answer for this question is southwest. So you have to mark none of this. Question number 14. Exactly similar to previous one. So A, B, C, D live in the same locality, house of B. So here in this house, hostel, PG and all, you leave it. For us only A, B, C, D points are important. Let us concentrate only on that. How we have to read it? B is in the east of A. B should be in east with respect to A. But means, but refers to first person. So who is first person here? B. So you have to read it as B is in north of C. B should be in north. North means top. B should be in north with respect to C. C is in west of D. C should be in west with respect to D. That means for D, C should be in west direction. The question is, D is in which direction of A's house? Of A. So here the reference point is A. So from A, you have to see D's direction. What is your answer? Downside means south, right side means east. Your answer is southeast. Option A. Observe this question and previous question. They are not talking about distance. It is only about directions. Now you can able to distinguish question between type 1 and type 2. Next one. Village Q is to the north of P. Q is to the north of P. Q is to the north of P. Next, R is in east of Q. R should be in east. R should be in east with respect to Q. R is in east of Q. S is to the left of P. That means for P towards left side, S is present. That is what they have given. S is to the left of P. In which direction is the village S? With respect to R. With respect to the point which is present after with respect to, that will act as origin. So here R is origin. So from origin we have to see the direction of S. Which direction? South west. Option B is the right answer. Guys, I hope you have understood previous three questions. Question number 13, 14 and 15. Question number 16 is also same, but till now they are given data directly. Say here they have given Q is to the north of P, R is to the east of Q, like that they have given directly. But when it comes to question number 16, instead of giving the data directly, They have given indirectly. Means what? They are telling A into B means A is to the south of B. A plus B means A is to the north of B. A percentage B means A is to the east of B. A minus B means A is to the west of B. Very simple, guys. Into means south, plus means north, percentage means east, minus means west. That is how you have to understand. And they have given some equation, P percentage Q. So now you should not read it as P percentage. Percentage meaning you know, that is east. You have to read it as P is east of Q. Next, plus means north. Q is north of R. Next, S means west. R is west of S. Now it is exactly similar to previous questions. That's it. So let us draw the diagram. So P is east of Q. P should be in east with respect to Q. Plus means north. Q is north of R. Q should be in the north with respect to R. Minus means west. R is to the west of S. R should be in west with respect to S. So this is the diagram we got. Now the question is, S is in which direction? With respect to Q. With respect to Q means Q will act as origin. From Q we have to see the direction of S. What is your answer? South, east. So option B is the right answer. I hope you have understood. Guys, there is no difference between previous questions and this question. Previously they had given data directly, but here they have given indirectly. That is the only difference. So to get better clarity, let us solve one more question of this type. So data is almost similar. Divided by means south, plus means north, percentage means east, minus means west. So here A plus B, how we have to read? Plus means north. A is to the north of B. A is to the north of B. A should be north with respect to B. Percentage means east. So B is to the east of D. B should be in east with respect to D. Next, divided by means south. D is in south of C. D should be in south with respect to C. The question is, A is in which direction with respect to D? Width of D means width of D or with respect to D one and the same. From D we have to see the direction of A. So what's your answer? Upper side means north, right side means east. Your answer is northeast. Option C. I hope now you got the clarity. Some boys are sitting in 3 rows and all are facing north. Some boys are sitting in 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows and all are facing north. Next, such that A is in the middle row. A is in the middle row. A is in middle. Let me write A here. A is in the middle row. P is to the right of A. P is to the right of A, but in the same row. P is sitting towards the right of A in the same row. So P will come here towards the right side. Q is just behind of P. Behind of P, all are facing north. So P's behind will be here. So behind of P is Q. Q is behind of P, while R is in the north of A. So A's north, R is present. So R is in north of A. R is in north with respect to A. Now, in which direction of R? That means we have to see the direction from R is Q. We have to tell Q's direction with respect to R. What is your answer? South, east. That's it. Option D is the right answer. This question was asked in TCS. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X are 9 industries. R is 2 kilometers to east of Q. So here they have given distance, but they have given to east, west they have given. So now you can understand it is a question of type 2. Still the distance is given, because not only distance, along with the distance, direction they have given here. Direction is important to us more than the distance. So that's why this question belongs to type 2. Okay. Now whether it is type 1, type 2, whatever it is, finally it is direction chapter only. So let's solve it. R is 2 kilometers to the east of Q. So R is 2 kilometers to the east of Q. It is 2 kilometers. Next, P is just 1 kilometer to the north of Q. So P, distance from here to here is 1 kilometer. And W is 2 kilometers to the south of P. Towards south of P, W 2 kilometers. So from P, W is towards south, means downside. 2 kilometers means from here to here it is already 1 kilometer. So from here to here is also 1 kilometer only. Okay. So 1 kilometer, total 2 kilometers. So distance between P and Q is 2 kilometers. See here, W is 2 kilometers to the south of P. From P towards southwards, 2 kilometers away, W is present. That is what the meaning. V is 1 kilometer to west of W. So west means this side. So distance from here to here also 1 kilometer. S is 3 kilometers to the east of V. So from V, 3 kilometers, S is present. So from here to here it is 2 kilometers. So 2 plus 1, total 3 kilometers only. So U is 2 kilometers to the north of V. So from here to here 1, here to here 2. So you can able to understand, total 2 kilometers. U is 2 kilometers to the north of V. X is situated exactly between Q and R. That means distance between X and R and Q and X is 1 kilometer. This is 1 kilometer. X is situated exactly between Q and R, while T is exactly between W and S. Between W and S, which is present? T is present. This is T, X. Next, what is the distance between P and U? P and U, arey yaar, this distance we already know. This is from here to here. From here to here is 1 kilometer, means here to here also 1 kilometer only. Guys, very simple. They have given so much of information, but finally they are asking only this distance between P and U. That is 1 kilometer. Option D is the right answer. Guys, I understand the question is, they have given more data. Question is little lengthy, but it is easy only.